everyone, so in today's video I'm going to draw Chainsaw Man Denji. Anyway, let's start and I will try my best to make it easy, to make it look easy. As you guys know, this sketch is not an easy thing to do and there is not a shortcut. That was a little difficult and you can also see this tutorial is the longest one among my 60 plus YouTube videos. But still, I'm making sure that it's gonna be easy. So watch till the end and like the video and comment your thoughts about it. And if you like that video, then subscribe to my channel too. So before drawing, I thought a lot that where to start, and still in the end I didn't come to a point and decided to draw it randomly, the way it looked easy. And as you know, we can't see any main thing in the whole picture, so it's okay to start from anywhere you think it's easy. And also there is not a lot more to explain in this video. I'm just drawing and trying it through the easy way, so just watch it. So finally our sketch is done, and let's remove it a little and do the neat outline with 6B pencil. So here we have the 6B pencil, and let's do the outline. So the outline is done, and now I'm using a 2B pencil to shade. And I think it will be surprising that I'm gonna use only 2B pencil for the shading. I'm gonna make many shades of gray using only 2B. Now you can see that I'm doing a little darker shading than the previous one. It's all game of pressure. Right now I'm applying more pressure than before, so that's why it's giving a darker layout or output. And this is how I'm gonna do shading in the whole sketch using only 2B pencil. So finally our shading with 2B pencil is done, and now let's do your signature in the end, and let's go to the final look. I hope that you liked the video, and if you think it was even a little helpful, then please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye! Watch these videos if you want to try other anime characters.